Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and in today's video I am going to show you a flip through of the junk journal that I created for the month of July, for Christmas in July this month. I can't believe that July is ending. It is the last day of the month when I am getting this up to you. So over the month of July, I created this junk journal on my channel. So if you have not seen the other parts, this is a part 4 series. So today is part 4 with showing you the flip through all of the finished product. You can go back and watch those. I will also pop them into a playlist for you. So definitely check it out. So I did jingle bells here on the side, and it has the red spine. I love that. And I actually hot glued another cover onto this side, onto the other side, because I could not decide which one I loved more, and I used the pages from this for my scrapbook inserts, and then also the pages from this. I love this red spine on here, so fun. And then I created this charm on here. You will get a more detailed look at this if you watch the video. So part 1 was me making the album, then part 2 was putting the pages inside, and then part 3 was me making the charm. So this was the first junk journal that I have ever created, especially with the little golden book. So let's open it up. So you have the backing here, and I chose to use a spiral coil that I can take the pages in and out, and I can add stuff in as well. So this is a Pro Click binding coil. I have the Pro Click binding machine for my homeschooling, so I was excited that I was able to utilize it here, and I can just pop this open and take pages out and add pages in. So here is the ABC for Christmas papers, and those are going to be mixed in with just scrapbook papers like this. Here's another piece from the book. Then I also have cardstock in here, more from the book, cardstock. I picked Christmas papers that kind of went with that Christmassy forced feel for the Jingle Bell story that we will have later, and then just kind of that Christmas vibe from the ABCs of Christmas. So when December comes, I'm going to print a few pictures and sprinkle them in here, do some journaling, try and with the alphabet, try and maybe take a picture of something that is with an elf or is for filling. F is for fun. Filling Christmas itself. So I'm going to include a fun Christmas photo here, and when it's like C, I'm going to add in our Christmas tree, and I can even put a big picture of the Christmas tree by adding it into the coils. So then I have some smaller card stock. This is actually scrapbook paper, but I have smaller scrapbook papers, and then I glued a envelope to the other side here so I can add some elements or keepsakes in there, and then another piece of cardstock and some scrapbook paper, and then I punched this into here as well, a fun airmail envelope. And then I had these lined papers that were small, so I punched those and added those in. And I had some of this brown paper, so I added that in, so I can add pictures of here of us opening our Christmas presents and all the kids quiet playing with their new items. Some more of that lined paper. R is for Rose. I'm not really sure how that ties in to Christmas, but we will see how we incorporate that. And I love this. So this is S is for Santa Claus and sleigh bells and snows. And then I added this cloud and sky envelope in. I did cut it down so it wasn't sticking out, and then I just glued it shut at the top. But I love how it just flows into this page with the sky and the clouds, and this just, I just love that. So love that piece. Then I had this on my desk. This is an old digital stamp that I had, and I hadn't used it, so I thought, hey, I'm gonna hole punch that with the Pro Click punch, and I'm going to pop it in here. I can go ahead and color it or do some journaling on the other side. Then I have some more of that lined paper. And honestly, I probably didn't need to put both of these elements in here, but I might even be able to use this for 2 Christmases because it's quite a big book. So that would be kind of cool. It could be like 2024 and then 2025. So, and then I can make like a bookmarker. So I have some more scrapbook paper, a smaller scrapbook paper, some more of the lined paper, and then some more of that brown paper, a smaller scrapbook paper, and then we're getting to the end of that book. And then here is the Jingle Bells. So I kept this one together because it was like that whole scene of the sleigh and the horse. And then this one as well, I wanted the sleigh and the village to stay together. And then now is where I'm going to add so I added this silver metallic paper, and then some snowballs because it's snowing over here, so some snowball-ish paper. Then we have some more elements from the story, some scrapbook paper, more elements from the story, the Santa, and then some red cardstock, the story, some green cardstock to keep that Christmas vibe going. Then you have the story, and then some more festive scrapbook paper, and the Christmas village, and then the story continues. And then I included that festive branches and berries, not really berries, but like holly page, and then some more elements from the story. And then I love this back page. So you have the Jingle Bells from the story, and then just had some Christmas scrapbook paper that was a sheet of music, so I cut that down. And then I have one more cardstock in the brown, and then you have the back cover, and everything is, this spiral is just attached here with some twine, and I'm hoping that it lasts. If it doesn't, I will reinforce it another way. But you close it up and you have that and the charm on the side, and I love this. I love how it turned out. I am really proud of the first junk journal that I have created. So definitely go back and check out the first 3 videos if you have not. And I will maybe share a flip through after I decorate in here as well, or maybe I won't, but this is the first junk journal that I have created. I definitely want to create more. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share card making, Bible journaling, DIYs like this. I'm hoping to create more of these and then share them with you. I also share clean with me's in my craft room every once in a while. I haven't been posting as much lately because life is full, but I am still being creative when I can, and hopefully I can bring you some inspiration very soon. So I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.